Here I have CUBOT Quest, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you should select preferred language. I'll select English, I believe. Then tap Start. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have it on, you can just skip this step for now and do this later. And you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also skip this step and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have these Google services. Tap Accept. Then you can set up fingerprint unlock, but you can also skip this step for now and do this later in settings. Then you can set up another protection method, but you can do this later in settings too. And device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.